Hey everyone! Changing your workspace name in Notion is a 30-second fix that refreshes your entire dashboard. Today, I'm walking you through the exact steps to rename your workspace in 2026. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Settings and Members. Start by heading to the top of your left-hand sidebar. Click on the Settings and Members button. This opens your main control panel. A quick pro tip, make sure you've selected the correct workspace from the drop-down menu first if you belong to multiple teams, so you don't accidentally rename the wrong one. Step 2. Navigate to Workspace Settings. In the pop-up window, ignore the top section for your personal account. Instead, look down at the Workspace section in the left sidebar and click on Settings, sometimes labeled General depending on your plan. This is where the global identity of your workspace lives, including the name, icon, and custom domain. Step 3. Edit the name field. At the very top of this page, you'll see the name field. Simply click into the text box, delete the old name, and type in your new one. You can use text, numbers, and even emojis here to give it some personality. In 2026, there's no character limit, but keeping it short ensures it doesn't get cut off in your sidebar. Step 4. Save and update. Don't just close the window. Scroll down to the bottom of that section and click the blue Update or Save button. Notion will take a moment to sync this change across all your devices. If you have a custom workspace URL, like yourname.notion.site, remember that changing the name here won't automatically change your URL. You have to update that separately in the field right below. Step 5. Verify the change. Finally, click out of the settings and look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see your brand new workspace name reflected there immediately. If you're working with a team, they'll see the update the next time they refresh their app. Your rebranding is complete. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.